Hi there, in this video I'm going to explain you different find command examples that you can use in Linux based terminal. So here is the list of most popular find commands which are used to find the files based upon different conditions. So this command finds the files and directories in the current directory. So it lists all the files as well as directories in the current directory. If you want to find out the files in particular directory, you can use this find /etc. So and this will list down all the files and directories in that specific directory. So let me demonstrate that for you. Find dot, it means find all the files directories in the current directory. And if you want to list down the files in say /etc folder or directory, you can do it like that. So these are the main important commands. After that, you can also find the files with specific names. So for example, if you want to find all the files or directories with this name abc.txt, you can use this switch called as -i name. Here I means it doesn't matter whether what is the uppercase or the lowercase of the file name. It's a case insensitive search, and this will find all the files in this particular directory. After that, you can also find files like multiple files, abc.txt or xyz.txt. so no matter which file is there, if abc.txt is there, it will be printed. If xyz.txt is there, it will also be printed. So O stands for OR. Then max depth, this is another important parameter which can be used, or the switch which can be used to restrict the search to the current directory, not the subdirectories. So this will find all the files in the etc directory, not its subdirectories. Then if you want to find the files that do not match particular file name, you can use this not name switch, and this is also similar to the not name. Then if you want to find the hidden files, you will have to use this -name switch and *. After that, you can also restrict the search to the files and directories using this type switch. So type F means find all the files, type D means find all the directories. After that, you can also find the files by the size using this switch size, and then here you can give the size of the file, say 10 MB, 1 MB, whatever you want. Then if you want to find the files which are empty, you can use this switch -empty. Then if you want to find the files between some range plus 1 MB or 2 MB, you can use this switch. And finally, you can also find the files based upon the like when the files were accessed, modified and changed using these switches. Like if you want to find all the files that were accessed, modified and changed in last 60 minutes, you can use this particular command. And you can also find the files based upon the groups and user of that file. Say if you want to find all the files and directories belonging to this group developer, you can use this command -group and the name of the group. And after that, you can also find the files based upon the user. So if you want to find all the files based for this particular user, then you can use this command -user and then Bob. So it will find all the files belonging to this user. And also you can also find the files based upon the permissions, like executable files. Then you can also specify specific permission in the hexadecimal format. So these are different commands that you can try in a Linux based terminal, so which are very handy. Instead of ls, you can use these finds. Say for example, if you want to find the names, find all the files with the specific name, say t1, and as you can see the t1 is found. So similarly, you can execute all these commands that I have shown you. Thanks for watching.